The casino on Sky Princess had a few surprises on my recent Caribbean cruise. On the positive side, I've never seen so many jackpots won on land or sea. On the other hand, 3/4 of the machines were smoking, many of the machines were overdue for maintenance, and there were often long waits for bar service. Join me for a complete tour and review. Hey cruisers, Andrew from Ottawa, Canada here. Welcome to the Chill Cruiser, where I review cruise ships from a chill perspective, sharing tips on how to save time, money, and grief on your cruise vacations. Today I'm going to review my casino experience on Sky Princess and give you a full tour of all the slot machines. Although the size of the casino seemed on par with other world-class ships, the setup was very different, with smoking allowed at 3/4 of the slot machines, where it's usually half on the other Princess ships I've been on. Only the tables and the row of slots on the starboard side of the space were non-smoking. They've also removed the bar to make room for more slot machines, which is good from a slot selection perspective, but not so good for drink service. Most of the time there were only 1 or 2 servers working the entire casino, which meant that you could wait a half hour or more just to order something. That's where the app comes in handy because it allows you to get your drink order added to the service bar queue without leaving your machine. The one positive surprise on this cruise was the number of jackpots. I've never seen so many hand pays in one casino. For the first couple of days, it seemed like there was a jackpot won every couple of minutes, and there was a backlog of people waiting to get paid. Most of the jackpots were triggered on higher denomination spins, but there were still some hand pays on penny slots as well. I asked a slot technician what was going on, and he said that the casino was quiet while the ship was in Europe for the summer, so the machines were ready to burst for its first Caribbean cruise, when they see a lot more play. There's a good selection of favorites from Dancing Drums to Buffalo, Mighty Cash, Firelink, Locket Link, and Dragon Link, all of them paying jackpots at least once during the cruise. Dragon Link fans will be happy to see that there are 10 different Dragon Link machines, 6 in the smoking section and 4 on the non-smoking side. Just don't expect sound on several of the machines on the smoking side because the speakers on my cruise were broken. Okay, I'll shut up now and take you on a full walking tour of all the machines, starting with the non-smoking side from the forward casino entrance. The several half-broken machines were just a few of the many elements on the ship that were overdue for maintenance. You can find a full review of my experience on Sky Princess here. Thank you for watching, and happy cruising.